Hi everyone, it's Miss Eller. Today we're going to be looking into patterns in relationships with numbers. So as we get started today, I want you to think about ways we can solve the following problem. So let's take a look. So the first thing we want to do is look at this problem and figure out exactly what it's asking us to do and the information we already know. We know that Lindsay has a sage plant that is 3.5 inches tall. So here's her sage plant, and it's 3.5 inches tall. She also has a rosemary plant that is 5 2/10 of an inch tall. Both plants are going to grow at 1.5 inches each week. So they are growing at the same rate. Nothing is different with the plant growth. What are ways we can solve this problem? Stop your video and see if you can come up with 1 to 2 ways to solve this problem on your own. One way to solve this problem is by creating a data table. Okay, stop your video and think about the ways that this table can help you solve the problem. Remember, we wanted to know how tall the sage plant and the rosemary plant would grow after 5 weeks. Okay, so we are adding 1 5/10 or 1.5 to the plant because the plant grew 1.5 inches each week. So we are adding because each week the plant is going to get taller. All right, so we want to know how tall her plant was. So we want to know how tall her plant got after 2 weeks. What exactly are we going to do to get our answer of 6.5 inches? Well, every week it grows 1.5 inches, so we are going to continue to add 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. All right, so now it's your turn. In the Google Doc attached to this week's assignment, you are going to fill in the height of the rosemary plant. Remember that the plant grows 1.5 inches each week. Be sure to come back to this video if you have any questions on how to fill in a table.